Happy 4th of July! Well, it's not 4th of July yet, but these sunglasses are cool, eh? Did you wish you had some? Dollar store special. That's how I roll. Welcome to the channel, Indiana Doug here. Appreciate y'all stopping by and watching all the shenanigans. We're going to cut a tree down today. A somewhat dangerous tree, actually. But what we're going to do is use some old iron to do it. We're not going to use any modern saws today. We're going to use some old big iron. Stick around, you don't want to miss this one. You may have seen a short I recently put out on this old 2100 here. He's been worked, man, but if you know anything about these old saws here, that's what they like to do. They like to work, and they like to keep on working. These old Husqvarna 21 CDs are unstoppable. You ran one, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Also, I pried this one out of Mr. Kenzie's hands. It's old P70, Partner P70. And I do appreciate that, Kenzie, if you're watching. Bayou Country Power Saws. Go check out his channel. Awesome guy. One of the best, man. Best in the biz. And he got a little full wrap on there and stuff. It's kind of cool. But I did make a video with this saw once. Just didn't really showcase it. You know, just kind of cut with it. Had a camera mounted to it. Kind of a point of view thing. HL Supply. Love them. Ordered a ton of stuff from there, but they kind of got me in a pickle today. I was wanting to shoot. Today's Sunday, and I was wanting to get my brand new Husqvarna bar. I believe it's a Shuggy bar that's branded Husqvarna, but the brand new ones that just came out, I ordered it the day I knew you could order it, and it was supposed to be here Friday. And then it said, well, it'll be here, you know, the tracking number, it'll be here Saturday. Well, guess what? Still didn't come. It's sitting in about 30 minutes away across the border in Ohio. My bar is. So he'll be coming home pretty soon, but I wanted to make this video today. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take I got my Power Match, Oregon Power Match, what I call the Buck and Bar. Because he's really fond of these, Buck and Billy Ray. But anyway, this is a 36, so it's a little bigger. But I know it's a largemouth husky, so you know it should fit up right up to this one. So I'm gonna put that on there instead, so at least make you guys a video. And then I'm gonna try to put this 28 that I got on my Dalmar here. I'm gonna put this 28 on the P70. I've only ran a 20-inch bar on this, so I want to see if it'll oil it. I think it will. Oh, he's got plenty of power. It's kind of a little saw, I mean, compared to that, but that little sucker's got some power. 70cc saw, so plenty of power. It pulls great. Real zippy with a 20 on it. Let me tell you. I had some fun with that. But anyway, let me get you all set up here and I'll start doing something with this bar and this 2100. A couple shout outs I have today. I wanted to shout out a couple people. I did get this 2100 off of Chad. I also received a 480 CD from him as well, but I'm not getting any spark on that one, but I haven't looked at it much, and he's good people. But yeah, shout out to him. Also, before I get started, I wanted to give a shout out to Logger Al. I appreciate all the advice you've given me, man. You know, us younger guys, well, I'm not too young, but I think that we really appreciate the advice and a lot of the even criticism. I appreciate criticism. I take it as advice that you older, experienced loggers, you know, give us. It's received well here anyway, and you know, a lot of my buddies, I'll turn them on to your advice as well, and it's been well received. Just want you to know that, Logger Al. It's much appreciated, and he's, you know, he beat me up a little bit on not wearing chaps, and I deserved it. I'm not gonna lie. You know, it's don't look to me for advice on PPE, okay? I do wear hearing protection, wear my helmet. I just don't own chaps. I never have, and since I was a kid, you know, cutting with my dad, you know, he beat me up on the chaps thing, and again, I deserved it. But he also gave me some great advice on how to fell this tree that we're going to take on today. So again, Logger Al, I appreciate you, my man. Really do. Well, there is an issue here. First issue is if you got a larger scrunch like this and a full wrap on these 2100s, and I imagine the 480s, because they're pretty much the same build, that ain't gonna work. So you gotta get one of these shorter ones here. See here? See the difference? You gotta get one of these shorter ones to get that off. So if you're ever working on one of these, you got a full wrap. Sorry if the fan's loud. I had to turn a fan on here, man. It's getting hot on me. Never seen a spacer on a saw. Are these typical, guys? All you 2100 guys out there? Never seen these, and they don't look stock, but maybe they are. I imagine it was rubbing on the clutch. The side cover was rubbing on the clutch, and you gotta have some kind of spacer. But I am gonna need a new clutch if anyone's got one out there. Clutch cover, if anyone's got one out there. This one's cracked. It was actually cracked in shipping. It's still, I could make it work, but it is cracked. You can see here, there, and over here. But yeah, you can see where it was rubbing right there. I bet that's why Chad put those in there. The spacers on there, I imagine. Let me know in the comments if you know about that. Well, issue number one. This is .058 rail, and this chain I got from my Dolmar 9010 is bigger. For some reason I thought that would fit on that bar, but it's not. I probably should have brought that other bar that I had on my 19. I thought that chain would fit. It's not the same. So I guess I'm gonna run this 28 on here instead, and at minimum we'll at least get this 2100 cutting. I tell you, everybody asks me why you like Dolmar so much and Makita. The quality is just top notch on these saws, guys. I just love them. I mean, just look at you can just look at it and tell how good a quality this is. You know, I mean, the dogs, the bucking spikes, everything, the muffler, you know, just this everything, clutch cover. I mean, they put all these little extra things, and they're still lightweight, and everything's ergonomic, you know, the choke, and you know, it's not going to break. It's just, they're just awesome saws, man. For some reason, they just fit me so well. It's just the first thing I grab, man, and never had an issue with them. I love them. Even the caps are awesome on these things. You know, the flip-up caps. You know, you don't have to get a tool. I mean, there's others like that, but You know, these are nice. Everything's so nice. I know there's other nice saws out there. You know, the switch is out of the way so you don't accidentally flip it. Although my 9010, it's up here, and then I do accidentally flip it. But they've come a long way. I hate to see them go. I wish somebody would buy Dalmar out and continue that line of saws, man. I just love these saws. Well, when I tighten this clutch cover down, this chain won't move, so something's getting bound up in there. I believe it's this plate right here. These may be like, no, these spacers are fine. It's this plate right here. Okay, I just modified that plate a little bit, bent it out on both sides, and because it's rubbing that chain when you tightened it for some reason. So, but now everything's free, so we'll just have to roll with this one today, gentlemen. I'm gonna take Mr. Logger Al's advice here and work my way up and see what happens. We'll play it safe. Okay, so I got some chaps here. The largest ones they had. So, I don't know if they just don't make them for tall people or what, but this sucks. Might as well do some test cuts on this thing before we get started. What do you say? What do you say? Ain't that how it goes right there? You doing all the work and these guys are over here gabbing, drinking. Act like I don't know how to run a chainsaw. You got any friends like that out there? Okay, y'all, I'm warning you, I had to take my shirt off. It's 86 degrees and humid today. So you get to look at this ugliness. Yeah, I got really hot, guys. About 80, it's almost 90 degrees now here in Indiana. And I couldn't take it. I had to start hydrating more and go sit in the air for a minute. Sometimes you just got to do it. Feel a little better now. We'll get back to him. Get back in here a little bit more in the shade. It's really nice. Maybe set you guys up right around in here. That'll work. Watch me cut wood. Can't see what's going on. It's like, yeah, you can't see where what's holding that limb up without all this gone, you know. We got to get it out of there. So you see what happened here. This tree, it's wanting to fall that way. And we're gonna let him do that, but not yet. Comes down, then it branches off right there into two. The top one's, you know, freed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that 2100 and start bucking some of this up here. Okay, obviously that's having some issues. I don't really have time to mess around with that either, because we're losing daylight. So, and I just got this all first time I ran it, so not sure. It could be a number of things, but we'll have to look at that later. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll go ahead and get some of this, some more of this with this 250. We'll get there. We'll get there. Okay, getting a little too big for this. Oh, you know what I'll do is get that partner. I'll go ahead and switch to that partner saw. Yeah, so here is the issue I'm having here. Most of these bars fit. These D009 large Husky mount bars. Most of them fit, but see, I got this tensioner screwed all the way out, and it's still loose, and I got that on this one. So what a day, guys, what a day. Tell you, doing this kind of stuff in this 90-degree weather, real humid, you got to take a lot of breaks. Well, you get around 40, you do. And I'm in okay shape too. You just need to take a lot of breaks. I got the old Kinsey built Bayou Country Power Saws Pioneer Partner Professional P70 out. We're going to just roll with that so you can see this old iron pushing through some wood too. I'm not sure what's wrong with that 2100. I imagine probably needs carb looked at. But I checked the fuel, it wasn't out of fuel, so I had half a tank, surprisingly. Those things are gas hogs. Well, guys, I just heard that we're under another tornado watch, tornado warning. I guess tornadoes are ripping through Indiana again. I don't know what the deal is there. It's sunny here, but I guess we got one, I don't know. We got some stuff 30-40 minutes away, so I'm gonna try to get some of this done. Hopefully we can fell that tree, but may have to be another day. We'll see. You guys still there? Okay. Yeah, I guess we got some bad weather coming again. Tornado weather, so not sure how far we're going to get on this, guys. It's going to come down one of these days, but just not sure when. But yeah, I mean, you look over here, it's beautiful, sunny, gorgeous. And then you go, got a big old ugly front coming, so well, I'm gonna do a little more sawing anyway, 'cause that's what I do. So hang tight, Dorothy. All right, guys, well, weather's getting pretty bad, so I don't know. I want to keep cutting, but so we was almost to the point where I can fall it, but I don't know. We'll see. Screw it, we're going to keep cutting until we can't cut no more. This is fun. Here goes nothing, guys. Just in time. There it is. Couldn't find that hoss. Hey, whatever. We're out here in the pouring rain right now. Thought I'd reflect here in the rain, because you've probably never seen a video of someone reflecting in the rain. But it feels so good. You know, 90 degrees, humid all day, and ice cold rain comes down. Oh my God, it's like heaven. So I knew that those two branches sticking down were going to hit the dirt, and I was wanting it to kick to the right. Hopefully it's your right too in the camera. And I knew it would. I thought it would. That's why I cut that little bit off there at the end, because I didn't want it to stick too far and then kick the other way to the left. So anyway, it worked out. That's exactly how I wanted it to do. So I didn't want to keep cutting and cutting and cutting, because it's so dangerous up there. You know, I didn't want it to come down on me when I was felling it. So and if it did fall, it would hit those, you know, the ground first. If I was like under it or something, you know, it's still kind of close to the ground. I don't know if that's right, but I tell you what, I want to give a big shout out to Logger Al. He's the one who talked me through that one, because I was going to do it a completely different way. So Logger Al, I appreciate you. I appreciate you, man. I really do. Might have saved me some stitches or more. Them old loggers, man, they know what they're talking about. They can just look at something, oh God, and they'll tell you right now how it has to be felled. So he knew. But anyway, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this rain, ice cold rain, because it's like Mother Nature's, you know, rewarding me. Oh, it's really nice. So hopefully the weather doesn't turn too bad, or I'll be filming this stuff more, this tornado weather. I mean, there's supposed to be some really bad storms coming. So we'll see, but I really appreciate y'all hanging out and watching. If you made it this far, had some hiccups, but we got through it. Everybody, have a good 4th of July, and we'll see you on the next one. Indiana Doug is out.